Are you aware of the silent threat lurking within your body, often hidden beneath the surface? We're talking about visceral fat, also known as active fat or belly fat, stored deep within the abdomen, surrounding vital internal organs. While a certain amount is normal, excessive visceral fat poses significant health risks, especially for older adults. It's far more dangerous than subcutaneous fat because it releases inflammatory molecules and fatty acids directly into the bloodstream. This negatively impacts organ function and significantly increases the risk of chronic diseases. Excess visceral fat is strongly linked to several serious health conditions, starting with cardiovascular disease. It's associated with high LDL cholesterol, high blood pressure, and insulin resistance, all contributing to heart problems. It also interferes with insulin sensitivity, leading to higher blood sugar levels and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, excessive visceral fat has been linked to an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. It also increases the risk of certain cancers, such as colorectal and breast cancer. Visceral fat is a key component of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that significantly increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Other risks include asthma, stroke, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and fatty liver disease. Several factors contribute to visceral fat accumulation, including genetics, which can predispose individuals to where fat is stored. Diet plays a crucial role, especially a high intake of fatty foods, sugars, and refined carbohydrates. A sedentary lifestyle and lack of physical activity are also major contributors. Age is another factor, with a tendency to accumulate more visceral fat, particularly in women after menopause. Hormonal imbalances, chronic stress, and sleep deprivation can also lead to increased visceral fat. Excessive alcohol consumption can also contribute to hormonal disturbances and visceral fat accumulation. Fortunately, lifestyle modifications can effectively reduce visceral fat. A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy is essential. Limit sugary drinks, refined carbohydrates, processed foods, and unhealthy fats, while increasing fiber and protein intake. Regular exercise, aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity most days, incorporating both cardio and strength training, is vital. Lifestyle changes like getting enough quality sleep, managing stress, limiting alcohol, and quitting smoking are also crucial. If overweight, losing weight, aiming for 1 to 2 pounds per week is an effective strategy. Beyond diet and exercise, certain natural teas may aid in weight loss and visceral fat reduction. Green tea, rich in catechins like EGCG, may boost metabolism and help reduce body fat. Turmeric tea, containing curcumin, offers anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, potentially regulating blood sugar and suppressing fat tissue growth. Hibiscus tea may promote weight loss by reducing starch and glucose absorption and decreasing fat cell size. Oolong tea may help decrease body fat percentage and waist circumference. Ginger tea may support weight loss by promoting digestion and metabolism. Black tea, containing flavonoids, may also assist with weight loss and decrease visceral fat. For older adults, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new weight loss program. Aim for safe weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week to avoid losing valuable muscle mass and essential nutrients. Maintaining muscle mass is vital, so incorporate strength training into your routine. Ensure adequate hydration by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Pay attention to your nutrition needs, ensuring adequate protein, vitamins, and minerals. Always be aware of potential medication interactions with new supplements or dietary changes. Understanding the dangers of visceral fat and adopting a healthy lifestyle can significantly improve your overall health. Natural teas can offer additional support on your journey to a healthier, more vibrant life.
Clinical trials have shown that hibiscus acts as a natural, mild ACE inhibitor, helping relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. It also has a mild diuretic effect, reducing that uncomfortable morning bloating. To prepare it, steep 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus flowers in 1 cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Drink it 2 hours before bed to allow the diuretic effect to pass before you fall into a deep sleep. Again, if you are on blood pressure medication, monitor your levels closely and talk to your doctor. Now, let's address the third driver of abdominal fat, chronic stress. This brings us to sage tea. Most know sage as a cooking herb, but as a tea, it contains rosmarinic acid, which influences the regulation of cortisol. Cortisol is your primary stress hormone. When it is high at night, it sends a signal to your body to store energy immediately in the abdomen. Sage tea helps shift your body out of high alert and into rest and repair mode. Use 1 tablespoon of dried sage in hot water, not boiling, as excessive heat damages the delicate compounds. Steep for 8 minutes and drink 40 minutes before bed. Our fourth classic is the dynamic duo, ginger and lemon. Ginger contains gingerols and showgales which act as prokinetics, stimulating the digestive tract. A sluggish gut is the foundation for a sluggish metabolism. Lemon adds pectin, a soluble fiber that slows sugar absorption, preventing insulin spikes that lead to fat storage. Peel and slice 2 centimeters of ginger, boil for 5 minutes, then add the juice of half a lemon. Drink 1 hour before bed. If you have severe acid reflux, start with a very diluted version. Fifth is horsetail tea. This ancient plant is rich in silica and potassium. As we age, our liver and kidney efficiency declines. Horsetail supports the elimination phase of detoxification. Because visceral fat stores metabolic waste, horsetail helps flush these toxins. However, horsetail is a powerful diuretic. It can deplete potassium, so do not use it if you have kidney issues or take heart medications like digoxin without supervision. Steep 1 tablespoon of dried horsetail for 12 minutes, 2 hours before bed. Sixth is cinnamon, specifically Ceylon cinnamon. This spice is a master at managing blood sugar. Most adults face insulin resistance as they age, where cells become numb to insulin. Cinnamon helps resensitize your cells. This shift is crucial at night during your fasting period. Use a true cinnamon stick, not powder. Most powder is the cassia variety, which contains coumarin, which can be toxic to the liver in high doses. Ceylon is safer. Simmer 1 stick for 5 minutes and drink 40 minutes before bed. Finally, our seventh tea, dandelion. Dismissed as a weed, it is a potent ally for the liver. Your liver does its deep clean between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. To mobilize fat, the liver needs bile. Dandelion is a cholagogue, stimulating bile flow. By drinking dandelion tea, you are prepping the liver for its nighttime work. Use 1 tablespoon of dried leaves or root, steep for 15 minutes. Its bitter taste is the sign of its medicine. Dandelion is potassium sparing, making it safer than other diuretics. To truly benefit, consistency is key. These teas are not magic wands. They are allies. They work best alongside a diet low in processed sugars and refined carbs. Remember, your body has limited energy at night. It can either focus on digestion or repair. If you eat a heavy meal right before bed, the repair window is lost. Pick 1 or 2 of these teas, alternate them, and listen to your body. Notice your sleep quality and your energy in the morning. This is a journey of giving your body the support it needs to heal itself. Thank you for your time and your commitment to your health.